PayPal have had a bit of a bumpy ride the last few years, but are things turning around for them? They're heavily involved in certain areas like cryptocurrency. So is the future looking brighter for PayPal? In today's chart of the day, I look at the technical analysis to try and find out where the price might be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Hode, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So weekly line chart analysis for PayPal. It's been very good really since spring of 2020, getting from those lows around $75-80 all the way up to $310 by August time of this year before pulling back. 2019, very stale year through to the spring of 2020, then it popped up again, consolidated around the autumn time of 2020, and then we've seen that recent run up. And in terms of Fibonacci analysis, not too much to take away from the longer term chart here. Again, we've got that 38.250% consolidation zone for a real big bad pullback. 61.8 line at $225 sort of area. That could be another downside target, but before it even got there, it'd have to stop around the 260 mark. Got to push up higher through the 310s, 315s if it's going to break on upwards. But generally though, the picture in the longer term, especially in the last year and a half, is looking a lot more healthy. On the daily Heikin-Ashi chart, it's sort of a mixed picture. Not looking very exciting in terms of signals. We go to volatility, looking pretty flat at the moment, 30% annual, roughly around there. Volume, again, nothing too exciting happening, sort of staying in that range, the average of where it normally trades at. So nothing exceptional going on there. Sort of weak bullish maybe picture. If we go onto the price information itself, we've got the box set up. It's trading within that, so pretty neutral. Trend wise, very weak. Bullish, if you can call it that. Probably been trading more sideways really most of this year, but in differing ranges. So really the outlook on the daily Heikin-Ashi pretty neutral, and if I was really pushing it, I could give it a weak bullish sort of outlook, but more I'd say neutral at the moment. A $2 block size on the Renko chart for PayPal. Signals at the bottom. They are bullish, but both of them are weakening. That's the stochastic and the regression line. Going straight on to the price, we had the buy signal outside the bands, but that hit resistance around the 290 area before pulling back, and support probably around that 280 area if it does pull back any further. In regards anything else going on, not too much. It looks very sideways within a reasonable range between $310 and $230. Upside sort of targets, possibly those highs around 310, and then it's up to 330, 340 if it can break there. Downside wise, look for those Fibonacci lines. It's the 280 and then probably 38.2% around 260, and if it really gets bad, it's probably down to 250, 230 area. But again, a bit like the Heikin-Ashi, some more neutral feel as its bullishness wearing off. Again, if I wanted to push it, I'll give it a weak bullish, but really nothing too exciting there. I'm going to stick with a neutral valuation on the Renko chart at the moment. To summarise then, based just purely off the technicals, I'm going to stick with a neutral opinion. Like I said, slightly weak bullish if you were pushing me, but I'm going to go neutral overall. Nothing too exciting happening at the moment. If we go to the targets, the upside 2 to 1, 4 to 1 risk return, so it's not bad. If it can push on upwards. Downside, you know, not very exciting. Probably trade within the range of, like I said, that $310 to $225, $230. You know, so downsides follow those Fibonacci's down, so nothing too exciting. And like I said, overall I'm going to give this a neutral outlook at the moment, but you know, something fundamental might come along and shift things in either direction. So again, time your entry and exit with the charts. Nothing too exciting going on then in the world of PayPal in regards, you know, the technical analysis and the price. That's not to say that's going to be the same going forward. Let me know in the comments below where you think, you know, the PayPal price is going to go next. Is it bullish, bearish? Where is it going to go? And if you've liked today's technical analysis and you want to learn more, I'm going to put a link in the description below for you to follow, so you can get stuck in there. And if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to receive future notification of future content like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.